How to turn on or turn off call vibration on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the more button at the top, and then we tap on settings. In call settings, we scroll down and then tap on call alerts and ringtone. From here, scroll down and then tap on call vibration. In here, you can set it to silent so that when you receive a call, it will not vibrate. Another thing that you can do is switch off vibrate while ringing, so you can turn it on or switch it off. So those two options will allow you to turn off vibration on your phone. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.